Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cover song using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, topmediaai.com. And after you have found this website, you can open it and you will be able to choose a voice you want to use to cover the song. And for example, I'm just going to choose the SpongeBob voice. I'm going to select the SpongeBob and then I'm going to upload my song right here. We can click to upload or drop an audio file. Okay, you can upload your song and we just need to click on generate AI cover. Okay, and now it's still processing guys, and we just need to wait until 100%. It depends on the duration of the song that will be covered by the AI. You just need to patiently wait. Okay guys, and the cover song has been created and this is the final result. I'm going to play it. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a cover song with AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.